Now, who doesn't love potato sandwiches? But today we are going to give a twist of fusion to these unique potato sandwiches. First, we are going to make dabeli sandwich, the famous kachi dabeli sandwich, which has all the elements of a chaat. Next is a South Indian style masala sandwich, which is basically a fusion of South Indian and the Bombay style masala sandwich. And when we talk about Bombay, how can we leave pav bhaji behind? So, of course, the third is an open sandwich, pav bhaji open sandwich, loaded with butter, spices, and amazing flavor. So if you're coming to the channel for the very first time, then do subscribe and hit on that bell icon while doing so that you don't miss out on any of these amazing recipes that are yet to come. Now let's make our sandwich first way, the dabeli sandwich. So we'll begin with making the dabeli masala. For that, dry roast coriander seeds 2 teaspoon, fennel seed half teaspoon, cumin half teaspoon, cinnamon stick half an inch, cloves 3, dry red chilies 2 to 3. Now dry roast these over low flame, then cool them down and then grind to a fine powder. So our dabeli masala is ready. Next we'll move on to making the potato masala. So for making the potato masala, heat some oil, add cumin seeds 1/4 teaspoon, green chili 1, chopped ginger 1/4 teaspoon, and 1 generous spoonful of dabeli masala, almost 1 tablespoon. Now fry everything for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to add boiled and mashed potatoes 1 cup. Now mix everything thoroughly. Add salt to taste. And an amazing dabeli potato masala is ready. Now we're going to assemble the sandwich. For that, I have taken sandwich bread and trimmed the edges. Now apply butter over top. Next, I am going to apply the sweet and sour tamarind chutney. Next, I am going to put the potato masala. Top it up with some chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped coriander leaves, some pomegranate seeds, masala peanuts. Now this is very typical of a dabeli. Also some grated coconut. Now this is optional, but it really adds to the flavor. And finally, nylon save on top. Now another slice, apply some butter and top it up with some Szechuan chutney. And then cover it. Apply butter on both sides. And fry till both sides of the bread turns crispy. Now dabeli typically means to dabao or to press. So you have to press the sandwich while you make it and make sure that it turns crispy from both sides. Once the sandwich is done, take it out and then cut it diagonally into 4 slices. And just like a typical dabeli, place nylon saves on all the sides. And our amazing spicy dabeli sandwich is ready. It has all the elements of a chaat. It's sweet and sour and spicy and everything that you want in your chaat. That is turned into a sandwich right now. So dabeli sandwich is done. Next we'll move towards making the South Indian style masala sandwich. And for making the potato masala, heat some oil. Add cumin seeds half teaspoon, mustard seeds 1/4 teaspoon, chopped curry leaves 1 sprig, green chili 2, turmeric powder half teaspoon, and mashed and boiled potatoes 1 cup. Now mix everything thoroughly. Chopping curry leaves also helps in bringing out the flavors better. Now mix everything thoroughly and add salt to taste and some chopped coriander. Mix it and our potato filling is ready. Now it's a double decker sandwich, so we'll also have a veggie layer. For that, in a bowl, add cucumber as required. Here I'm using half a cup of chopped cucumber, 1 small chopped tomato, 1 small chopped onion, 1 small chopped carrot, half an inch of ginger chopped green chili 1, and chopped coriander leaves. Add salt to taste and mix everything. Now the ginger really adds to the flavor, so don't skip it. Now elements are ready. Let's move towards assembling the sandwich. So take 3 bread slices, top it up with butter, then green chutney on each, and in the middle We'll top it up with the potato filling, some cheese on top, and then cover it up with other bread slice. Again apply butter on top. Butter will also prevent the bread from turning soggy. Green chutney, veggie mix, cheese, and then cover it. Apply butter on both sides of the bread and then roast it nicely till it turns golden brown from both the sides. Now it's a really loaded sandwich and loaded with amazing flavors as well. Now cut it diagonally and enjoy. So our South Indian style masala sandwich is ready. Next we'll move towards making the pav bhaji open sandwich. So for that, heat some oil and add chopped ginger half an inch, chopped green chili 1, chopped onion 1 small, and mix it and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Next add chopped half of a capsicum, chopped tomato 1, and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. Next add boiled and mashed potatoes 1 cup, 1 tablespoon pav bhaji masala, chili powder 1 teaspoon. Now mix everything thoroughly. Add salt to taste and coriander leaves. Now mix it again. And our pav bhaji potato filling is ready. Now for assembling the sandwich, take a sandwich bread and apply some butter on top. Next, a generous serving of the pav bhaji potato filling. Spread it evenly. And since it's pav bhaji, of course, we can't resist the butter. So heat some butter in a frying pan and drop the sandwich. Let it cook and get crispy from the bottom. Apply some more butter on top and then flip it and let the potato filling also turn crispy. Now take it out of the frying pan and cut it diagonally into 4 pieces. Now you can see how perfectly it has cooked and even the top portion is really crispy and nicely roasted. Now add some grated cheese on top and serve it with tomato ketchup. Also garnish some chopped tomato and onions. It tastes amazing. So sandwich 3 ways are ready. So do let me know which one is your favorite. The spicy chaat style dabeli sandwich or the South Indian style masala sandwich inspired by Bombay masala sandwich or the typical pav bhaji sandwich that reminds you of Bombay. So do let me know in the comments what you like the most, and till we meet with another amazing fusion recipe, here's wishing a happy cooking to you.